welcome back to Shades of Green. Today we're going to make an Instant Pot Seitan Loaf, which is an awesome meat substitute that you can use to eat by itself just as the loaf, or I like to use it in other recipes like in tacos or grain bowls or anything really. It's really salads.
Can you do salads?
Yes, it's a really good recipe. Justina, can you tell us a little bit about the benefits of seitan?
Yes, I would love to. Thank you, Anna. Seitan is low in fat, has zero saturated fat, zero cholesterol, which is awesome, and also an excellent source of iron. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you.
Let's get started.
Yes.
Okay, to start we need a medium-sized mixing bowl, and we're going to first mix together our dry ingredients. 2 cups Vital Wheat Gluten. Half cup nutritional yeast. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1 teaspoon chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon sage. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. 1/2 teaspoon cumin. And now we mix! Now we're gonna add our wet ingredients. 1 tablespoon liquid smoke. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1.5 cups of warm veggie broth. And now we stir again. Okay. After you've stirred the ingredients until they are mostly mixed, you're gonna stop and then start kneading with your hands for about 4 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna start the timer for 4 minutes. And then I just get my hands in there. I like to do my own technique of kneading, like this.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done!
Now I'm going to form it into a loaf. Yes. Alright, now that we have our seitan loaf formed into its shape, we are going to wrap it into our aluminum foil before we put it into the Instant Pot. So we have here our sheets, and I'm going to put it just like this, and we're going to wrap it up just like a candy wrapper, like so. And there we go. Ta-da! So we have here our Instant Pot. I'm going to add in the rack and 1 cup of water. This helps the cooking process.
It what?
And now I have my loaf. I'm just gonna put it right into the Instant Pot on the rack. You might have to turn up your candy wrapper ends so it fits in there nicely. And then we're gonna close it. And close the vent. So we have pressure cooked for 45 minutes and natural release pressure for 5 minutes after the 45 minutes. And now we're going to do a quick release of the pressure, and then it's done. Ready?
Ready.
I don't know. There we go. Now we open. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I want to show. And now the reveal.
Oh, it smells so good.
Should I slice it open?
Yeah.
Cut off a little piece.
Tender. Thank you so much for joining us today for this video of how to make seitan loaf. We hope that you try it ASAP and that you love it as much as we do.
We would love to know, if you could only have 1 spice for the rest of your life in every recipe, what would you choose? But not including salt.
Not including salt, yeah.
Tell us in the comments.
Tell us in the comments.
Like and subscribe, and join us next week for a mystery video. We're not going to tell you what it is this time, but it's sensational. You're going to love it. Make sure to tune in. See you next week.
See you next week.
Bye.